Audio Jungle.
Hello everyone, in the today's video we are going to show you how you can use Vappy, a powerful voice AI platform, to create your very own multilingual AI assistant that talks based on custom data. Vappy is incredibly flexible in allowing you to integrate various languages and customize the assistant to meet your specific need. Without any delay, let's get headed to the Vappy's dashboard. Once you head over to the dashboard, you go to the assistants. Okay, wait a minute. Before you start the project, select the language that you need the assistant to speak in. For this demo, we will be choosing English and Hindi as the languages that our assistant could speak on. So click on the create assistant and choose a blank template and click on create assistant, and you see the assistant being created within just 2 seconds. Now you see the sections which are probably available for you. Just write the prompt in the language that you want the bot to speak in. So I want my assistant to speak in both Hindi and English. So I have written the language in Hindi. And then the provider is OpenAI itself, and you can just change to cluster 4.0 or 4 turbo cluster, whatever you want. But I will go with GPT 3.5 turbo cluster. And I want the assistant to catch the emotion and respond accordingly, so I will turn on detect emotion. And you can reduce this temperature to zero point 0.4 so that your assistant replies are more accurate. And as we have discussed, this is creating an assistant not only with multilingual language but also on custom data. We will be uploading the custom data. So just click on publish button and head to the file section. You can choose and upload any data you want. So just click on the file that you want and click on upload, and you see the file being uploaded in this section. Now head to the assistant that you have already created and go to the knowledge base and choose the file that you have already created. You see this is done that easily. Now we are all set with the model. Now go to the transcriber. You know that your assistant should speak in both Hindi and English. English is already done, so we will now go and choose Hindi as our language because we want our assistant to speak in Hindi. So I will be clicking on publish. Head to the voice, choose whatever provider you want, whatever voice you want from this. I don't want to change this, so I will just put it the same way and I will just click on talk with assistant. That's it, we are all done. Let's see how this happens.
नमस्ते, यह अव्वा है। मैं आज आपकी किस प्रकार सहायता कर सकती हूँ?
मैं एक अपॉइंटमेंट बुक करना चाहती हूँ.
Sure, I can help you with that. Could you please specify the date and time you would like to schedule the appointment for?
So as you see, this is how the assistant speaks with you in both Hindi and English. So I hope we have helped you in guiding through this process of creating multilingual AI assistant. If you have any queries, shoot out at us in the comment section.